Samsung fans have been eagerly waiting for the release of One UI 7.0, the latest update to the company's widely praised user interface, initially expected to launch by the end of July or now in October, and there's still no sign of the beta version. However, recent leaks suggest that when One UI 7.0 does arrive, it could bring some powerful upgrades to the stock gallery app, AI-powered search improvements that might be similar to what we see in Google Photos. One of the biggest rumored features of One UI 7.0 is the introduction of AI-powered search functionality in Samsung's stock gallery app. While the company hasn't officially confirmed what this feature will look like, popular leaker Ice Universe and Universes has hinted that several optimizations and improvements are on the way for the gallery app, and AI-powered search is one of them. So, what could this mean for users? Imagine being able to search for photos and videos based on descriptions rather than manually scrolling through your library. For instance, if you're looking for beach photos from your trip to Bali in June 2024, you could simply type that into the search bar, and the AI would pull up relevant images and videos. This kind of smart search is already a key feature in Google Photos, and if Samsung brings it to its gallery app, it would make photo organization a breeze for millions of Galaxy users. Samsung's stock gallery app is already one of the best in the industry, offering intuitive ways to view and manage images and videos. With the introduction of One UI 6.1 and 6.11, Samsung made a number of improvements, especially around AI-powered editing tools. However, the search functionality in these versions remained relatively basic, forcing users to rely on more traditional methods of finding their media. If the leaks are accurate, the One UI 7.0 update could change that, bringing advanced search capabilities to the gallery app. Users could soon be able to find specific images not just by date or location, but by context, object recognition, and even keywords. While this new gallery app feature sounds exciting, it's unclear when we'll actually get to try it. Ice Universe has stated that One UI 7.0 isn't expected to be released anytime soon. This comes as a bit of a disappointment, as Samsung usually releases a beta version of its next One UI update before its annual Samsung Developer Conference, SDC. SDC 2024 is happening in the US tomorrow, and the absence of a One UI 7.0 beta means we might not even see a showcase of its features at this event. Samsung's delay in releasing One UI 7.0 could be tied to several factors. One possible reason is that Samsung wants to ensure that the software is fully optimized before its release, particularly the new AI-powered features. Another factor might be the concurrent development of Android 15, on which One UI 7.0 is based. While we're all waiting for the release of One UI 7.0, there's already news that Android 16 could be released earlier than usual. Release of One UI 7.0, the features that are expected to come with the update make the delay a little more bearable. The AI-powered search functionality in the gallery app, in particular, could be a game changer for Galaxy users, offering the kind of intuitive and powerful photo management that we've only seen in Google Photos so far. So, while One UI 7.0 might not be arriving as soon as we'd hoped, the future of Samsung's software updates looks brighter than ever. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track the release of One UI 7.0 and beyond. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. Exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Geely smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.